Hey kids, how are you? Are you all excited for a new lesson? Very good. So today we are going to learn about pronoun me. So me is an object pronoun which receives the action in the sentence. It is used in place of first person singular. For example, he smiled at me. So in this sentence, pronoun me is receiving the action. It is not performing the action. Therefore, it is an object pronoun. So let's see some examples and make the concept of pronoun me clear. So Rudy, our first example of pronoun me is the boy ran towards me. So about whom I am talking? I am talking about myself. So whenever we talk about ourselves, we are always the
first person.
Correct. Now the boy ran towards me. So in this sentence, the pronoun me is receiving the action. So therefore we can say that the pronoun me always receives the action in the sentence. So Rudy, our second example of pronoun me is give this pen to me. So now tell me, who is receiving the action?
Pronoun me.
Absolutely correct. So whenever we receive any action, we always use the pronoun me instead of using a noun. So Rudy, our last example of pronoun me is she bought chocolates for me. So in this sentence, again, we have used the pronoun me because I am talking about myself, which means I am the speaker, I am receiving the action as well as I am the first person. Therefore, we have used the pronoun
me.
Absolutely correct. So, I hope you understood that what is pronoun me. With this, bye-bye. See you in the next lesson.
Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.